Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Cake Wallet application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it's done, launch open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Cake Wallet and search. Look for this application from Cake Technologies LLC and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Cake Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet designed specifically for Monero, which is primary focused cryptocurrency. It is available for both iOS and Android users, and it provides its users with a secure and private way to manage their Monero funds. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, and once it's done, you can tap on the Open button to launch open the app on your device. So that's how easy it is to download Cake Wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.